Something we wanted to highlight today. I know a lot of people come to Oshkosh, 600,000+, and we suspect many have no idea that this little nature area is over here. It's got a lot of cool artwork in it, a lot of sculptures, and it's really just a nice place to come hang out. It is legal to fish here if you're a camper, or if you just want to come along and bring a fishing pole, provided that you are an EAA member. I have no idea what the fish are biting or not today.